Yo, first order of the day. We've got a McDonald's. This one is, I think it's at $7 going about 5 miles.
Thank you.
I've got Brandon, Uber.
We're waiting on McChicken, so it'll be a minute.
Okay. Thank you.
You have a good one.
You too. I almost thought we were going to have a repeat of yesterday's situation where they ordered from the lunch menu somehow. But apparently the McChicken biscuit is a breakfast item. Also, I like how they said that they were waiting on the McChickens when that's basically all they ordered. They got 3 McChickens and a sweet tea. I think there's peak pay on DoorDash right now, so I highly doubt I'll be getting an order from them today. It's been about 20 minutes, making my lap around town, and still have not received the next order. Literally as I was about to park, got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee, $8 going 5 miles.
Yeah, have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $6 and change going about 3 miles.
You're picking up?
Yeah, for Araya Uber.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one, dude.
You too. Well, this isn't really what I wanted, but I guess we got our first DoorDash order. This is going to be on Earn by Time. Current rate is $18 an hour. There's still peak pay. This is a Muchas Gracias going 9 miles. Total for that one was just under $12.
Calls may be monitored and recorded by DoorDash and service providers for quality. Hello?
Hello?
Hi.
Hi, you called me?
I did, yes. So I just did a DoorDash order for Muchas Gracias, and you dropped it off at, and that is not my address. I will give you a tip. Do you have Cash App?
Okay, I don't know how much of that you could actually hear because it's kind of loud on the way back home. Basically, they put the wrong address in the app, and they wanted me to fix that, which I'm not going to do because that already left me in a bad place. I don't want to be over there. So there was no chance I was turning around for that. Unless they took like an extra 20 bucks extra, which I highly doubt because, I mean, they're probably closer to the order than I am at this point. Anyways, not my problem. Next up is a Voodoo Donut. This one is $8 going about 6 miles. Got this order as I was dropping off. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $7 going 4 miles, only one item.
Alright, thank you.
It was cold and it was raining.
I imagine like 6 months out of the year, like you could see a lot of people moving across.
Oh, you got your ID with you?
Oh. I didn't know you were that quick.
Yeah, I was right next to the store when you
My
ordered.
bad.
All good. Got this one right away. It's not amazing, but it should be quick and easy if it's ready. Got a Caesar bagel, $6 going 2 miles. You too. Well, that's a good one. They just tried to give me a Muchas Gracias add-on. $4 going an extra 15 miles. Almost got me. A little iffy on this one, but let's give it a shot. This is a Taco Bell, $6 going just under 2 miles. Got this stack right at the perfect time because I was about to switch lanes and miss it. we've got a stack. I don't know if it's going to the same person or not. I have no clue what's going on with this order. I just know it's Mr. Maple Donuts and something else. $10 going about 5 miles. And we're at the donut shop.
Bacon. You can just grab a large milk from the fridge.
And I'll do chocolate plate.
You're all set. You have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
All right, what else do we got to do? We are going, right across the street for Kitchen Table Cafe. And it is a different person. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
PJ Flat.
Just got the next order. This is a Black Rock coffee going about 3 miles. Thank you. Look, Clarissa.
Oh yeah, I can grab that for you. Thank you so much.
Have a good day. And that is going to be a no tip to end the day. I would keep going a little bit longer, but I'm kind of out of gas. Anyways, current time is 9:02. Total will be on the screen. And that was a vet, so have a kitty clip on the house. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.